In this video, I'll show you how to make a mockup with Canva. All you need to do is to go to Canva. You can use the free plan or you can use the Canva Pro. If you want to try Canva Pro 30 days for free, I have a link in the description. So when you are here in Canva, go to apps and then go to smart mockups. You can choose any template from here, depends of your product. But let's say I want to sell a mug. So I choose this template, this mockup, then I press select and here I press upload. I upload my logo or whatever I want to use on this mockup. So let's say this one. I select and I press select. You can see now how it look my mug. Of course you can use PNG, transparent background. Then when you're happy with this, you can do different settings here if you want, but if you like how it look, just press save mockup and then you can use in a design or you can download. So I have this image on my computer and I can use in my online shop. I hope you find this video useful. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.